Hi, hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. The previous lectures I were discussed what is the GATE examination, what are the outcomes of writing GATE examination, what are the futures, do MTech or MS if you go for that further PhD programs I was explained. Then after GATE pattern of the examinations also I was already discussed. Now I should go for that. To prepare GATE examination, what are the materials I need to follow? Can I take coaching or not? So even if I taking coaching, what are the materials I should read? What are the extra textbooks I should follow? Sir, I'm not supposed to taking any coaching. I'm financially very bad. I'm very back. So what are the materials I should suggest, sir? What are the materials I should read? What I should buy the materials? Please, can you suggest? So for that reason, for my past 7 years experiencing, I'm telling GATE examination how to prepare. That's what I should suggest some materials. So first thing is to crack GATE examination. The major thing is important. The coaching is mandatory. Coaching one time is mandatory. What I tell? Coaching one time is mandatory. Because the GATE examination, it is not a theory subject. By reading only we can understand, by newspapers like that, some textbooks. It's a mathematical oriented GATE platform. That's what logically oriented. We have to think and more broad how basically platforms questions will come. So once coaching is mandatory. Second, your opinion, you can go it second time, but time waste second time. If you go 3 times, 4 times means you are going multiple times, your time wasting. Coaching once is mandatory. So those who are thinking that I'm not supposed to take in the coaching, sir, means the thing is that once you take in the coaching, you don't think that you are getting 100%. What do you understand? Basically, coaching is nothing but coaching people. They will give the guidance to the examination. They will not come and write. They will not explain completely. They will guide you what textbooks you have to read. They will explain the fundamental things, how the questions is coming, the logics they will explain that. Only 30 to 40% effect faculty will affect on you, but even 60 to 70% the multiple times practicing different textbook revise. That's all you ask only. Getting a topper GATE 1 or GATE 2, it is not a faculty credit. It's all students credit only. The faculty will guide you. The student has to extract the fundamental, should do more and more research in different kind of question papers, solving a number of hours to other hours, writing online platforms, exams, getting more and more knowledge in different institutions in all over India. That's a student credit only. The faculty, the coaching will just guide you. It means once you guiding the student get a foundation. They will be in right platform. They will not wasting a time. That's what coaching once is mandatory. But also people are not taking coaching. They will appear the examination. They wanted to get good rank. It's no doubt at all. But time is take. But you will be success. That's some guarantee. So that's the thing. Next, come to the material platforms. What things we have to do? Number one, those who are taking the coaching, those are not taking coaching, the student has to do one thing. Please, you have to collect your regular college material. It means your college faculty, some college, reputed college faculty, any one college, whatever you take college, all college they will teach the fundamental concepts which are related to your subject, like control system, networks, machines and power systems. Some running notes is there in your college platform. Soft copies is a running platform. Please take soft copies, subject wise, keep it with you. It means you need to collect your college materials. A regular college material, what you are having in your college, please collect your college regular material. It means you have to keep it with you, your BTech notebooks, if you are having. Am I clear? The second thing is here, those are going to coaching, those are taken coaching, so coaching materials. Second thing is coaching materials. If you are taking coaching at ACE Academy or Made Easy, some X, some Y, please keep it with you, that particular material. Those are not taking coaching, people will be there even if completed final year. Please collect the material. Those who are taken the coaching from the reputed institute, please collect the material from your friends. Take a Xerox copy, nothing will happen. If they are not ready to give, if you are unable to collect this, please go to the coaching centers. If you directly can collect the running notes which are available, the downside of academy. If I'm Hyderabad, I'm telling, if you go for ACE Academy, Made Easy, in that regard the coaching centers down, they will be sell the materials. You can collect that. So all subject wise materials Running notes they will sell. Please collect it, is keep it with you. So coaching materials is mandatory. This is very clear. Coaching material means it's the running notes. Running notes. Don't think that books, it's only running notes I am telling. Till this, coaching student or non-coaching student, two options is mandatory. Come to the third option. Even coaching or non-coaching student, I will suggest two institutes, the materials. That is ACE Academy plus Made Easy. Both you can take, Made Easy and ACE. Here I should divide both cases. Made Easy, ACE Academy, some X, some Y. 1 to 3 platforms. In these 3 cases, do one thing. First case, collect a subject-wise material, subject-wise books. That means they will write hard copy written. If let us say control system, they have a separate book will be prepared by ACE Academy. Or like that, all control system machines, all this subject-wise material they are having. All material you can take of ACE Academy. One set. Second thing, previous gate bits. Previous gate bit book. This much of big book is the previous gate book. It's 2002, 2020 books. There are 20 papers, all subjects. They are intermix. They will mathematics. They are separated. Mathematics separate previous bits and core subject separate book. So previous gate book, gate bit book. Previous gate bits. All you can take. Third case, previous IES bits, nothing but previous IES bits, IES examinations bits. Nope, am I clear? It's previous IES examination bits, all 2020 to 2021. Theory books and MCQs, both ways, conventional and MCQs, both ways. Both books you can collect it if you have money. If you don't have money, only you can take the MCQs bits will be there. Paper 2 is there, paper 2 theory bits will be there. So only that. What can you say? MCQs bits, we can take conventional, you can leave that. If you have money, we can buy conventional plus MCQs bits. Previous IES bits. Previous gate book only, one mathematics, one core, 2 books are available. IES, there are 4 books will come. MCQs 1, MCQs 2. This is for MCQs, you have 2 books. For conventional, over 1 plus 1 books. Because 50-50 subject they are dividing, this 2 books. This is for only MCQs. This is the conventional. These books are available. I am telling only ACE Academy. After this, the 4th platform is the sub dividing into 3rd platform. Next, previous Genco Transco. Previous Genco Transco, DRDO, DRDL, and SSC JE and RRB JE. Some extra material they will tell. These things will be available by ACE Academy, some other X. These books you should be keep it with you. Clear? As like this material, Made Easy also will prepare. Please take these all same books of Made Easy also. Why I am telling this, I will tell you. We can take other X also we can take. If you have a money, if you have a time to read, X institutes material also you can take. Same thing. All subject wise books, previous gate bits book, previous IES bits, previous Genco Transco, SSC JE, RRB JE books you can take. This is very clear. Same thing Made Easy you can take. This you can take. Why I am telling for these different institutions how to take, the concept is very clear. I am personally experiencing, I am telling. When you are reading, there are 2019 questions. Example, something is control system, you have one question. You got an answer. The ACE Academy, the faculty they wrote, there are 6 steps they wrote, you get an answer. But Made Easy people, they wrote only 3 steps answer by different method. It means you can read the question here, you can read the question here. 2 cases your analysis. It means you are learning 2 different kind of methods. You can easily access which is the easy form, which is a get very short time. It means you are learning a multiple methods. That means you are upgrading your knowledge compared to only single academy person. If you read 3rd, 4th academy, 4 different methods if you learn, automatically your knowledge becomes 1 plus 1 only. It is not 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. Always it is not 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Am I clear? 1 plus 1 is equal to greater than 1. It should not be equal to 1. That's what I am telling. Multiple books you are reading, multiple knowledge you are getting. Sometimes the answers comparison, methods comparison, you'll get different platform. Some answer you are having option A, you are having option B, immediately question will rise. Which option you should correct? So two options, make a screenshot, send to your own faculty, those are having IELTS, they will think, they will final answer, they will give you can follow that answers. It means any wrong answers we can correcting by comparing the things. Am I clear? Example I can say, if you go and purchase some instrument in Amazon, some instrument in Flipkart, if you compare both things, then only you will get which is the best one. Otherwise you follow all Amazon products means nothing you are comparison you get, which will be quality, which will be good best price. That's what comparison thinks, it will be very important. Like that you have to think this will be available. Collect regular college material, you have to read this, coaching materials, running notes, these things are mandatory. These are books is important. Next, one more important books I should say. College, the reference textbooks are having, those are not following or not with you. Those are books not with you right now. You can buy, there are standard textbooks which will be required when here have a doubt. We have to go for some standard textbooks. Let us we go. I am writing some basic example textbooks I should write. Let us go for PS Bimbra. For triple I am telling PS Bimbra for I think electrical machines. CL Vadhwa for power system. Example I take electrical and electronics measurements. Am I clear? You can write some of the textbook. AK Sahani I am writing. AK Sahani for electrical plus electronics measurements textbook. Example I wrote 3 examples. We have n number of examples for each and every subject. We have some standard textbooks. What is the importance of these standard textbooks means? If any doubt in detail, this will be reference for you. Second thing, when you are writing the public sector exams, if you example go for state level exams, Genco, Transco, DISCOMs, some DRDL, SSC, JEE examination, the people are giving the exam MCQs questions directly of these textbooks backside MCQs. These 3 textbooks example I am personally experiencing. These 3 textbooks backside, every textbook we have 1000 or 2000, 3500. Sometimes each chapter they have MCQs. If you go for power electronics also we have PS Bimbra MCQs. That MCQs if you prepare, sometimes these exams, Genco Transco exam, they are directly copying the bits, directly given that. If you prepare here bits, you can directly get the marks. So these textbooks will be helpful to you. 1 mark bits, SSC, RRB, Genco Transco examinations. Last 2014 Genco Transco, this textbook backside they given, those are prepared directly, they get a job. There is no more discussions. That's what this is the basic platforms. These are the materials which are enough to start very scratch people. I think very clear. This is the material we need to buy it is. Next, come to that online exams. So, but present days the exam is not offline. From 2014 or 15 onwards, they are converted the offline exam to online exam. But online exams, the very first time, those are writing the very first time gate exam is the very first time, first experience. So, before entering into the final exams directly online, you have to practice the online exams in your home by solo practice, by your own. To get experiencing, we have to write a different kind of online examinations. So, I told you just now, ACE Academy will provide online exams, MEDIS will provide online exams, GATE Forum will provide online exams, some X will provide online exams. If you have a time, take ACE exam, ACE Academy. If you have a time, take MEDIS. If you have a time, take other. Don't take all at a time, you don't get a time. You don't have a time that much when you are doing this much of theory analysis. So take in online exams. Online exams. Because one set will come package of 60 to 70 different kind of exams. They will give subject wise exams. There are combo with they will give 3 hours examination. Different kind of lengthy exam they will provide. For online exam, you can take 1000 to 2000 complete year. They will upload the exams. You can write it. So one online exam you can take. If you have a time, take 2 sites. Like this, online exams also mandatory. This is a platform. You should be ready with you. Then start a music. How to prepare, which questions, which books I should prepare, which books first I should read, which books I should start revise second time, which when you open this, when I should open this, when I should open this, when I should open this. When you are learning it is, what are the platforms we are having, what is the sequence I should follow, That is the things I'll explain in the next video. So this is the material. Now you should be keep it with ready. Should be how you wanted to crack 2020 GATE exam. I think it's very clear. Thanks for watching. You have to watch next video to get more clearance the preparation pattern for 2020 within a short duration in an online platform. Thank you.